Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to question number 16. Now, there's two ways of doing this question. One of the ways would be to just do it in your head. You should really be able to do this one in your head. So, 10 subtract 5.4. Now, if you subtract the 0.4 first, that would knock you down to 9.6. So, 10 take away 0.4 would be 9.6. And then subtract your 5 whole ones. So we're on 9.6 and now subtract 5 whole ones, that would be 4.6. So your final answer is going to be 4.6. Now if you're not comfortable doing it mentally, you could do a column method. But remember, 10 is the same as 10.0. So if we put our decimal points in first, we'd have 10.0 take away 5.4. And then we would basically do a little subtraction. Let's see what we get. 0 take away 4 we can't do. So we borrow from this column, but there's nothing there to borrow. So we have to go to this column. Borrow from the 1, that becomes 0, and the one we borrowed makes this 0 into 10. But that's no good because we still can't do 0 take away 4 in the first column. So we need to borrow from the 10. Borrow from the 10, that becomes 9, and the one we borrowed makes the first 0 into 10. Now we can carry on. 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 5 is 4. 0 take away 0, 0. Put your point in and it's 4.6. You don't really need that 0 there. 4.6. Final answer, 4.6.